Chapter 12. Globe and Maps. Reading Objectives. Globe. Map. Components of map. Sketch. Plan. To study about the Earth, we look at a large number of pictures, diagrams, sketches and maps. We cannot see the whole Earth at a time, but a true representation can give a more realistic view of the Earth. Globe is the simplest and the most accurate way to represent the Earth. Globe. A globe is a man-made model of the Earth. It looks the same as the shape of the Earth. In other words, the globe is a correct replica of the Earth on a small scale. The globe shows the shape and sizes of the continents and oceans. It also shows the correct location, distance and direction in relation to one another. A globe is useful to understand how days and nights are caused and how different seasons occur year after year. Many details, like mountains and plateaus, small towns and villages of a country cannot be shown on a globe. However, in a large globe, some more details can be shown, but it is difficult to carry. Enrich yourself. Claudius Ptolemy was a Greek mathematician and geographer who lived in Egypt more than 2000 years ago. He created several maps of the world. Map. A map is a true representation or a drawing of the Earth's surface, or a part of it on flat surface according to scale. A map is useful to us for various purposes. A great detail of land mass, roads, railways, towns and villages can be shown on a map easily as compared to a globe. A map can show a part of the world and anything that we want to find. It can also show a small area and a few facts. Do you know, the art of map making is called cartography. All maps are put together to make a book, called an atlas. Type of maps. There are different types of maps. Physical map. A map which is drawn to show the natural features of the Earth, such as mountains, plateaus, plains, hills, oceans, seas and rivers is called physical or a relief map. Political map. A map which is drawn to show cities, towns, villages and different states and countries of the world with their boundaries is called a political map. Thematic map. Some maps show particular topics, like weather conditions, distribution of rainfall, farm products, such as wheat and rice, details of roads, railway tracks, parks and types of soil, forest areas, the distribution of mineral and industries, etc. are called thematic maps. Components of map. A map has a scale, a vertical line marked N at the top and some required symbols. A map has no meaning without these components. Distances on the map. It is true that very large distances can never be mapped in its true size. So, distances are shown with the help of a scale. A scale is the ratio between the distance on the ground and the distance on the map. Another method of showing the scale on a map is through a representative fraction where the numerator is always 1. If the scale is 1 by 10,000, it simply means that 1 centimeter on the map shown 10,000 centimeters on the ground, or 1 inch is equal to 10,000 inches. Get to know more. The small-scale maps represent large areas of the Earth, such as continents or countries, on a paper. The large-scale maps represent small areas of the Earth, such as villages, cities, towns, etc. For instance, the distance between your house and the school is 25 km. On a map, 25 km distance will be shown by 5 cm. It means 1 centimeter on a map will show 5 km on the ground. We will say a scale of 1 centimeter is equal to 5 km. Therefore, The actual distance according to the scale is 5 multiple of 5 is equal to 25 km. Distance between your house and the school is equal to 25 km. On the map, 25 km shows 5 cm. 1 cm means 5 km. Actual distance is equal to 5 multiple of 5 is equal to 25 km. Do you know, when the scale is drawn in lines, it is called the linear scale. Directions. Look at any map. You will see the directions shown with the help of an arrow. On the map, the tip of the arrow is marked with the letter N. This line is called the north line. It points towards the north direction. These are known as the cardinal points or directions. The directions are east, A, west, W, north, N, and south, S. Intermediate directions are the northeast, NE, southeast, SE, northwest, NW, and southwest, SW. Their directions help to find the location of a place with greater accuracy with the help of compass. Signs and symbols. It is not easy to show various features, like trees, buildings, roads or railway lines in their actual shape and size on a map because of limited space. Different types of symbols are used on a map to show these features. These are called conventional symbols. The use of symbols not only saves space but also makes it easy to draw on maps. Various colors and letterings are also used for different landforms. You will notice that blue color is used to show oceans, rivers, lakes, etc. Green is used to show plains and forests, yellow to show desert, and brown to represent mountains. Snow and ice are shown in white. Fact 1. Why maps are more useful? 2. What can be seen in an atlas? 3. What does the letter N on the map show? 4. Write the importance of a globe. Sketch. Sometimes, we also draw rough drawings to tell or locate places where we want to go. This type of rough drawing of an area is called a sketch. A sketch does not have any scale, signs or symbols. Searching dictionary. Scale. Ratio between the map distance and the ground distance. Compass. A device that helps to find direction over the sea. Plan. Sometimes, we need to show a small place in great details. At such times, we need accurate map of the place which shows the length and the width of each room with height of the windows and doors. Such an accurate map of a small area in great details is called a plan. Importance of maps. Plans and sketches. Maps, plans, and sketches are same in one respect. Each of them has a specific purpose. Both map and plan use a scale. But the basic difference between a map and a plan is that a map gives only the main features of the area to be studied, while a plan gives many details of the area. A map only gives a general idea of the area, but a plan gives a clear idea or information of the area. But a sketch differs from both map and plan. It is drawn roughly to show a position of a place with respect to other places. A sketch can be drawn more easily to give a rough idea. Both map and plan need calculations. All these make the understanding of any place easy. The study of the earth will never be complete without them. Word to know. A globe is a man-made model of the earth. It looks the same as the shape of the earth. A globe is useful to understand how days and nights are caused and how different seasons occur year after year. A great detail of land mass, roads, railways, towns and villages can be shown on a map easily as compared to a globe. There are different types of map as physical map, political map, Thematic map. A map has three essential components: distance, direction, signs and symbols. All maps, plans and sketches makes the understanding of any place easy.